Welcome. If you're looking to add community managers to your Facebook page using your PC and want to make sure you're following the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new process, so you can easily give trusted team members access to manage your community. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the page you want to manage by clicking on its profile photo. Now that you're on your page, it's time to access the settings. Click on your page's profile photo again to open the page menu. From the options that appear, find and click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your page. Next, look for the Page Setup section in the left-hand menu, click on it, and then select Page Access. This is where you control who can manage your page and what roles they have. Under the Community Managers section, you'll see a Manage button. Click on Manage, then choose Add Community Manager. A new window will pop up to begin the process. Click Get Started to proceed. Now type in the name or email of the person you want to add as a community manager. Facebook will search for their profile, and once you see the correct person, select them from the list. Finally, click Send Invitation. The person you've chosen will receive an invite to become a community manager for your page. Once they accept, they'll have the ability to help you manage your community, moderate comments, and keep your page active and engaging. That's it. You've successfully added a community manager to your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.